take few paper sheets, or you can use methi seeds, and use this paper tape, medical paper tape, which is available in any pharmacy, or based on your country you can use the paper tapes that is available. So basically this treatment is for frozen shoulder or any discomfort with the shoulder, like any ligament tear or any shoulder injury that has happened, and you are suffering from chronic shoulder ailments, chronic shoulder pain, some acute shoulder pain, or any sort of pain. So this treatment is also based on the finger QI treatment, 2-finger treatment. So you can apply these points using this pepper or methi seed, any seed you can use. So I'll show you the points now. So this is the first point, okay, on tip of the thumb finger. This is the first point, and the another point will be on the index finger. Another point is on the index finger, okay, these 2 points, and the other 3 points at the base of the index finger. Okay, and on the middle finger you have 3 more points onto the side as well as in the middle on your second phalange, and then you have one more point on your thumb side which is hidden here. So this is the last point. So altogether you have 10 points. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 points. So apply this. So as you know the rule, you have to remain for 3 hours, and you have to keep your hands dry for 3 to 4 hours. You can apply during your work time, anything, and you can apply it for a few days continuously, at least for 3 to 4 days, until you feel better. Then you can stop, and later you can apply for some more time. So definitely this will relieve you from a very chronic pain, and you will get a better relief, like you will get some good shoulder movements, and it will definitely aid you. Thank you.